On the DK Shivkumar's statement.
Well, PCC President and Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, Mr. DK Shivkumar, has made some statement in one of the programs. Well, the power of changing the constitution lies with the parliament. Probably instead of saying amendment, he might have said that by mistake he might have used that word changing. Changing is impossible. Nobody can change the constitution. As far as the reservation is concerned, what we have given 4% reservation to Muslim is well within the constitution. Article 14, Article 15, 16, 4 clearly says there should not be any discrimination against in the name of religion, caste and language or creed. And socially, educationally backward class. That's been identified, the backward classes is identified by the Backward Class Commission. As far as Karnataka is concerned, right from 1977 onwards, there are 4 commissions. One is Havanur Commission, Venkateswamy Commission, O. Chinnappa Reddy Commission, and one more commission. 4 commissions have clearly mentioned that Muslims are socially, educationally backward. Muslim is not religion. They are the followers of Islam. So likewise, all Hindus, even the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes and the OBCs, they are Hindus, but they have been treated as OBCs because they have been deprived of opportunities. So it's very clear that it is within the constitution that we have given 4% reservation for this section of the society.
The Karnataka honey trap case.
Well, honey trap case is already Chief Minister and the Home Minister said there will be a thorough investigation. Let the investigation take place and we'll know.
It's taking place in Supreme Court.
Well, people are free to go to any court. They are free to go and absolutely let us see what is the outcome.